Friends, this is the Christmas Holiday Cheer collaboration. We could do cooking, baking, decorating, about anything we really wanted to do. And I chose to do some baking. And our hosts are Jessica My Rose and Organize with Joy. Please check out their channel and please check out the playlist for all kinds of fun Christmas activities. I will be making hot chocolate cookies and Snickers peanut butter cookies. If you like baking content and DIY content, please subscribe. Please give my channel a thumbs up to help my channel grow, and please do the same with all my friends in the play. Cookies. We're going to start off with 2 eggs. One cup of butter. Four packs of hot cocoa. One cup of sugar. Oops, I opened the flour. That would have been a mess. One cup of sugar. We're going to start to get this stirred. One teaspoon of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mixed up really good. We are going on to the 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar. 2/3 of a cup of brown sugar. And then we'll get that stirred in. One cup of, I'm going to use mini chocolate chips because I think it's it gets through the recipe a little bit better. Now we're going to slowly adding 3 cups of flour. Then we're adding 1/4 of a cup of flour. Chill these for about an hour, and then we'll bake them. Scoop our dough and just put it on our pan. But you can't see that. Scoop our dough and put it out on the pan. I turn my temperature to 350, and it's going to bake for 5 minutes, and then we're going to pull it out of the oven. And then you'll see what we're going to do. You could either use 1/2 of a large marshmallow or 4 to 6 small ones. It's your choice. And then I'll put these back in for about 2 minutes. And that will be our marshmallows, our hot cocoa cookies. And don't get your finger in hot and chocolate, just saying. Okay, here's the final cookies with our melted marshmallows, toasted marshmallows on the top. Okay, here's the final cookies with our melted marshmallows, toasted marshmallows on the top. This is the recipe, peanut butter blossoms, that we're making, which is a very popular recipe. It's very popular. So it's not just in this old cookbook. It's very, very popular. They normally have the Hershey Kiss in them, but we're going to do a twist on this recipe today. We are going to add Snickers inside instead of the Hershey Kiss. Start with 1 egg. One stick of butter. And I brought this to room temperature. half a cup of white sugar. A half a cup of brown. Wherever my brown sugar went, there it went. Baking season, my brown sugar and white sugar and stuff, they just seem like they walk away sometimes. And you want it firmly packed. Make sure it's firmly packed. Okay, we're going to add a teaspoon of soda. And a teaspoon of vanilla. Oh! We're going to get this stirred up. Now I'm going to cut the vanilla. We're going to get this stirred up, and we're going to get a half a cup of peanut. Add our half cup of peanut butter. Okay, we're going to add we're going to slowly add 1 3/4 cup of flour. Okay, I'm going to take this dough, I'm going to chill it for about an hour. In the refrigerator. The bite-sized Snickers, well, I couldn't find them. So, I'm going to just cut them in half. Guess that's how you open the package. You could eat, if you had leftover Halloween candy, you could use it and use this. Here's what we're doing. We're taking a scoop of our peanut butter cookie dough. And we're going to put it in our scoop. I'm going to kind of flatten it out. And I'm going to add our Snickers. And then I'm going to wrap it up. I want to cover that Snickers with our cookie dough. Just like that. And then roll it good. And this is 1/4 of a cup of sugar and some red sugar for Christmas. We're going to just roll it out and fill our pan. Preheat our oven for 350. And what does the recipe call for? The recipe calls for, it doesn't say, I'd say 8 to 10 minutes.